Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial I will show you how to crochet this easy sunflower and daisy granny squares. We are working them the same, but only changing the colors. For the daisy we are using white, and for the sunflower we will make the flower in yellow. So let's start with the materials and continue with the pattern itself. For this square I am using Cotton King 8/8 cotton, and the hook that I'm using is 3.75 millimeter. We will need a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. Now I will show you with the colors of the daisy. So we are starting for round 1. We are starting with yellow color, and we are making a magic ring of 7 single crochet. If you don't prefer magic ring, you can always start with a chain 3 and slip stitch into the 3rd chain to form a ring, or chain 5. Close your magic ring, and now for round 2 we will make 2 single crochet into each stitch. We are making increases. Just make 2 single crochet into each stitch. I prefer using a piece of yarn to mark my stitches, and to mark the stitches with yarn you need to mark your last loop. So take the piece through the loop. Now for round 3 we will make 1 single crochet into the first, and then 2 single crochet into the next. We will repeat this till the end, making 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet into the 2nd stitch. Repeat this till the end of your round. Now in round 4 we will make single crochet into the first 2 and then increase into the 3rd one. Single crochet into the first 2, 1 1 1, and then increase into the 3rd one. Repeat this till the end of your round. In round 5 we will work into the back loops of the stitches. Here is the front loop and this is the back loop. We will work into the back loop only. And now in round 5 we will make single crochet into the first 3 stitches and then increase into the 4th one. Single crochet into the first 3, increase into the 4th. 1 2 3, increase. Repeat this till the end of your round. In round 6 we will work into the back loop only again, as we did in this round, and we will make single crochet into the first 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5, and then increase into the 6th. Single crochet into the first 5, 3 4 5, and then increase into the 6th. Repeat this till the end of your round. Now once you reach the last 5 stitches, make single crochet into each of them. 5 single crochet in total. Cut your yarn, and now switch to your main color. that you will use for the granny square, as we will turn this square, this circle into a square now. How to change your color invisibly. When you are making the last single crochet, do not finish it off. Take your new color and yarn over with the new color and pull it through your loops. Then tie it with a knot to secure it. And now in round 7, start with a chain 1 and then make single crochet into the first 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then make half double crochet into the next 2. 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. In the next we will make 1 double crochet. This is the side of our granny, and in the next stitch we will form the corner, making 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. This is the first corner of the granny square. Now make double crochet into the next and half double crochet into the next 2. 1 half double, 2. To form the granny square, we will repeat the stitches from the single crochet stitches here till the 2 half double crochet here. I will show you one more time the repeat. Single crochet into the first 3, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet into the next 2, 1 half double, 2, double crochet into the next, and now the corner stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same, then double crochet into the next and half double crochet into the next 2. Now continue, repeat this 2 more times and you will reach the end of your round. Once you reach the end of your round, we have an initial chain 1 here that we've made in the beginning of the round. We will slip stitch to join our round in that chain 1 to form the square. Now for the last round, start with chain 2 and make double crochet into each stitch till you reach this corner space here. Just make 1 double crochet into each stitch till you reach the corner. Once you reach the corner, make 2 double crochet into the corner space, 1, 2, then chain 2 and make 2 more double crochet into the same space, 1, 2, and this is the corner of this round. And now continue making double crochet till you reach the next corner. Be careful with your very first stitch as you can easily miss it. We made double crochet from this corner till the next corner, and we will repeat the stitches we did in the first corner for this one, making 2 double crochet into the corner, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet into the same corner space. Continue your round repeating the stitches. Just make double crochet from this corner to the next corner, and in the corner space make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet to form the corner. When you reach the end of your round, we will join with slip stitch in the second stitch of the initial chain 2. This is the first chain, this is the second, and we will join with slip stitch onto this second chain here. Now to make the petals, we will work in the front loop that you can see on the right side of your work. So take your hook and insert it into the first front loop. This was round 1, 2, 3, 4. This is round 4, and this is the front loop of the first stitch of round 4. And take your flower color. We are making the daisy, so I will take white color. You can make a slip knot and pull it through the first stitch. Now we will chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to make the first petal, and we will make half double crochet into the second from our hook. First one into the second chain from our hook. We are making half double crochet. Then make half double crochet into the next 2. 1, 2. We are making half double crochet into the remaining 2 chains. This is the first petal. To join the petal into our base, we will skip the next stitch, the next front loop here, and we will make a slip stitch into the second one. Then chain 4 and make half double crochet into the second chain from your hook, half double crochet, and make half double crochet into the remaining 2 chains. 1, 2. Now to join it, we will skip the next loop and make a slip stitch into the second one. And the second petal is done. You need to repeat this till you have 13 petals in total. This will be for the first round of petals here, the small ones. Once you finish your first round of petals, this is how it will look. Due to working in continuous rounds, then the second round of petals, you just need to continue working in these front loops. And after you finish the 13 petals, these are the small inner petals, now we will start the second round of petals. For this we will make chain 5, 3, 4, 5. After the chain 5, we will make double crochet into the third from your hook, 1, 2, 3, into this chain here. We will make a double crochet and then make double crochet into the remaining 2 chains. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. And to join the petal to the base, we will skip not 1 but 2 stitches. We will skip the first, the second, and we will join with slip stitch into the third loop here. Then we will repeat chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and make double crochet into the third loop, double crochet into the remaining 2, 1 double, 2 double, and to join the petal to the base, we will skip not 1 but 2, this and this, and we will join it into with slip stitch into the third one. Continue repeating, making the big petals till you reach the last stitch here. So repeat making the bigger petals till you reach the end of your round. And once you finish your second round of petals, this is how it will look. This is the daisy square. And if you want to make it into a sunflower, you will make the base with dark brown or brown color, and you will work the petals with yellow color, as I did here with this one. I hope that this video was useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell button so you will get a notification whenever we have a new video tutorial for you. I'll see you in the next video.